Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off professional account on Instagram. Instagram offers two main types of accounts to its users. This is personal and professional account. A personal Instagram account lets you use all of the platform's basic features. You can still upload posts, reels, IGTV videos, and stories. But you can't monitor how your posts are performing or have access to in-depth analytics. While professional Instagram accounts are further categorized into types of professional account, business, and Instagram creator accounts. These accounts give you access to a treasure trove of creator-friendly tools, including insights and promotions. So now that you know what kinds of Instagram accounts you have access to, let's talk about how to switch between them. First thing first, switching your Instagram account from business to personal isn't rocket science. Switching to an Instagram business profile or back to a personal account involves simple steps and takes less than 5 minutes. The difficult part comes when you're thinking about whether you should make the switch in the first place. But if you've already made up your mind, here are the steps to switch back to your personal Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app. Then go to your Instagram business profile. Tap the menu button in the upper right corner of your Instagram profile. And then tap the settings. Scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. And then scroll down to switch account type. Now, choose switch to profile account. And then read the pop-up and confirm the switch. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.